Hi, Sarah here with a Journal Sesh Sunday. It's Monday morning, but it all went a bit wrong. I could not get it finished at the weekend. The children were not being helpful. And then this morning, I got the date wrong for half term. My little boy has a place in school, and I got the date wrong. So I went running off to school this morning. Someone who has, I don't know, 5 planners, and I didn't have the right date for half term. Shameful. So anyway, I am here with the start of my February TN for you today. This is just a normal grid paper, so the paper does buckle a bit, but as I've said in previous videos, this doesn't really bother me. And I'm using the Wonderland creative kit from Little Rainbow Moon, and I'm teaming that up with these lovely stickers called Wellness Wanda from Anna Rae Design. And I will leave both companies' details below in case you want to go and check them out. I do have a haul video of these, but my haul videos, I think I'm behind by 2 months now because I had a few things at Christmas, then it was my birthday in January, so I've had a few hauls and I just cannot keep up with things, to be honest. But that's not surprising. I do have an 11-month-old and my older boy as well. It's quite a challenge at times. So I'll talk a little bit about what I'm doing here. So I've taken some of the matte coloured watercolour and added that to the bottom to create a bit of a floor. Then I've added some shimmery paints from the watercolour set and just created a bit of a fluttery kind of dreamy kind of look across the going up the page. And then on top of that, I've added some gel medium and then spritzed some fairy dusters, which are also by Little Rainbow Moon, over the top in 3 different colours, in Sapphire, Cherry Bomb and Holographic Ocean. I'm now adding some washi to border the page because it just worked so beautifully with the Anna Rae stickers. So I've added that. That's also by Little Rainbow Moon. And then I'm just trimming off the edges, just rounding the corners so it matches in with the pages, and then I'm just adding that February there. I'll probably do a front cover, and then that inside cover I'll probably decorate as well eventually, but I've not decided what I want to do with that yet, so I've decided to just leave it for now and have a think. So now I've stuck down my stickers. Now I'm happy with how the background is looking, and I'm just using a quite watered down one of the darker colours, the I think it's called Midnight, oh no, it's called Winter Rain, I think. And then I'm just trying to create a bit of shadow behind my stickers so that it blends in a little more. And then I'm going back through and adding some more of the shimmery paints as well. And finally I've taken some gouache, added some water, and I'm doing some white splashes of paint over the top as well to help the background match in with the white bordered stickers. So that is my cover done, but I do have a second part to this video, so you'll see that just now. So I'm going to work on my days 1 and 2. I am carrying on using the same products, and I just introduced 1 or 2 stickers, like just planner stickers here and there as well, which I'll mention as they pop up. So for this I have the first and the second. This picture's from the second, and on the first was my fiance's first day as in his new role at work, and he has to wear a shirt now, which I find hilarious. So I was documenting that. I think he quite likes wearing the shirts now. I think he's got used to it. But I'm just documenting about that, how proud I am of him, and obviously poking fun at the fact that he has to wear shirts. So before I add all my journaling, I decide to just do a little bit of collage here. I don't have a huge amount to write. I'm not a big writer. I like the arty side of the journaling a little bit more, and you'll probably see that really because I just write a few sentences, but I think that's all you need to put unless you want to use it as more of a, I don't know, get things off your chest kind of thing. But I'm using mine more for memory keeping because I do make the 12 by 12 layouts as well, so it's nice to be able to reference back on days of random pictures that I might have taken, and then I'll forget the reason behind them, like if it seems like a bit of a random one, or it might have been a funny moment that I can't remember exactly about, especially at the moment with the whole baby brain going on from lack of sleep. So I'm mostly just recording in this all the events of the day. So I've added I've balanced the collage elements from the Little Rainbow Moon kit from one side to the other, making sure I've got a little hint of each colour, and then I'm using the watercolours to kind of make those blend into the background a little more, taking out a lot of that white background. In hindsight, I wish I'd left a little more of the white background in. I felt like I'd made it a bit darker than I wanted originally, but it's very much a learning journey for me, this, because I'm not really that experienced in doing journaling. I'm more in creative journaling or talking apparently. I more do 12 by 12 layouts and that kind of thing. So I'm definitely still finding my style, but I'm really enjoying finding it along the way. So I'm doing a tip in here which goes wrong, but I managed to fix it. I also need to work on, obviously, keeping in frame. I do apologise for that. I do push it up. There we go. Back up there now. So the picture was my little boy just being a grump, crying lots, can't get anything done. So I end up just sat on the sofa pretty much all day on the second. But at the same time, gotta enjoy these moments when they're so little, because before you know it, I think I wrote about it, before you know it, they're teenagers and they just hate you for a few years. So I do document a little bit about that, and just how I just end up sat on the sofa cuddling my baby most of the day. I'm just adding in some white. I wanted to bring some white back into my page at this point, and I've added a few cute stickers. There's a couple random ones. Oh, my little boy's come to show me his drawings that he's been doing. There's a couple of random ones, like the cat that looks a bit, you know, smart. That was to document about my partner's first day. And then a little good luck unicorn there as well, a bit random. And the butterfly and the goldfish bowl. The two butterflies and goldfish bowl are both the Anna Rae Designs stickers. So I'm just documenting down at the bottom that I did manage to get a video uploaded, which is always an achievement for me in a week, as you can tell by this Sunday session being on a Monday. And then there was a lovely quote on one of the stickers, but the sticker wasn't quite right for this page. It was too chunky. So I've ended up writing out the quote that was from the sticker. And then I go horribly wrong here. I apparently can't spell clean, so that all goes a bit wrong. So as you do, grab some washi strips, again Little Rainbow Moon ones, and then just stick over the mistake and then just write over it again. And then there's a little bit of this washi left and I don't want to waste it, so I just frame my little quote with it instead. And now I'm writing over the top. I think I do a massive pause while I'm writing it out again in case I do it wrong again. But I don't. I managed to spell clean this time, so that's good. I'm adding in another one of those lovely stickers, and again I liked how the washi looked framing the quote, so I've decided to add a little more washi there as well. And now I'm adding some Tombow Mono Multi Glue. It's like a liquid glue, dries clear. I think PVA would work just as well, to be honest. Or multi-medium probably work for this as well. I'm taking these sparkly shaker type elements that came in the Little Rainbow Moon kit as well, and I'm just adding them here, there and everywhere, and then once that's dry I'll just brush off the excess. But that is my journal page done. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, leave me a comment if you have any questions or any advice on improving my journaling skills. And do like and subscribe if you've only just found me and you would like to see more of my videos. Thanks again for joining me, and have a great day everyone. Bye.